Wow.
Dog food.
No. How much?
Not much.
Okay. So, interesting night last night. At 1:30 I woke up. I heard something, what I thought was in our food bag. We have like a few, some granola bars and those dehydrated meals and stuff in a bag out in our trailer. And I thought I heard something like in the plastic, like opening the bag or something. I wasn't sure, so of course I woke Dave because I'm not going out there. So he went out there. Here, let him tell you what he saw when he came out. When you came out, what happened? What did you see?
Oh, I shined a light, and under the picnic table I could see right here a big fat raccoon eating Pistol's dog food. So I got up and got dressed up, and he didn't move till I got probably that side of the picnic table, and just he took off. And so I thought, how do you do that? Because this was shut. So I looked down, and the GoPro she's holding was laying on the ground. My toiletries bag was laying on the ground, and then her food was out. So I know that basically the camera and the toiletry bag was here and the food was under, so she was sticking her head under and pulling. And so then I got up and I had some of our food in there and Pistol's food in her trailer. Got it all up, put it in this heavy dry bag, sealed it up and hung it there, and then slept with one
eye open?
I just trusted Irene would hear.
I slept with both ears open. We're trying to be quiet so we don't wake the neighbors over here.
There's Pistol's snacks, and then I put her food this was the food that she got into, because I'm gonna throw away the part by the hole.
Yeah, for sure. So
this was a garbage bag.
Yeah.
So this was laying just like that.
Oh my god.
So I'm gonna scoop out this and toss the rest.
Okay.
So
and we have a whole other bag.
We packed enough for contingencies.
Yeah.
Such as this.
Yeah, though that wasn't on our list of contingencies.
We had a camp thief.
Raccoons are a wily bunch. Okay, we are gonna break down camp. We were at the Katy Roundhouse in New Franklin, and it's about 5:20, 5:30. Anyway, we're gonna break down camp and hit the trail.
Day 3, and we're leaving Katy's Roundhouse campground.
Yeah.
And the sun's just coming up. It's still not too warm, which is nice.
Yeah, it's great.
And Irene says there's a Casey's General Store a mile and a half from here. Of course there is. There's a Casey's General Store everywhere.
That's all we've been eating.
But
the coffee was good yesterday.
That was really good coffee yesterday. So let's get on up to Casey's, get some coffee, and then see how far we get today.
Yep.
How you feeling?
My sit bones are sore.
Yeah, mine are too.
Other than that, I'm actually surprised. I feel pretty good.
Good. My right knee says, hey, slow down, warm up a little bit. But other than that, we're going to be along the river today. So I've heard that the hard part of the riding is over and it's pretty flat along the Missouri River now. So I'm going to go with that as truth.
We'll see.
All right, let's go.
We just ate the most amazing breakfast at Casey's. I had a breakfast burrito and a maple donut. It was delicious.
I had part of a maple donut and a bacon, cheese, egg on a croissant. It was so good, I went and bought another one.
And Pistol shared everything, of course.
I think we spend more time at the gas stations on the bikes than we do in the van, honey.
Oh, we definitely spend more time in gas stations on bikes.
Money.
And as much money, honestly. But so far it's been about the only place to grab some grub. But
Day 3 starting out with a fairly flat trail, but a pretty good headwind, so may as well be a hill.
the wind. Dave's being a gentleman and a scholar and taking my clothes off the back of my clothes rack so I don't have a sail back there. What a guy. Good thing about this wind though is they should dry quick. Oh, one other thing I want to show you. The green bean queen was trying so hard to take a nap, but she just can't relax because she's always looking out. So we covered the front of her trailer and I've not heard a word from her since. Like, she is out. So super windy. She's getting lots of air through there. Yeah, so if it gets hot, we'll wet that shirt down and we have a wet shirt we can put on her. But so far, it's pretty perfect out.
About wrecked trying to film that. Pretty cool old silo. That was cool, huh?
So cool.
There's Bill and Carol up there. They caught up to us when we were taking a break and we let them all go on ahead. But
we did manage to get a picture.
yeah, we got a picture of them and they took a picture of us. So they don't do any social media or anything like that. But it seems like every time we talk to them, they're telling us about a different adventure, whether it's hiking the AT or something up in Denali or doing the Grand Canyon or cycling across the Continental Divide, or just endless stuff. They're an inspiration. All right, sorry about the wind. We don't like it either, not one tiny bit. Cool, huh? It's actually chilly in here.
Stop for a trailside break. Pistol's getting her lunch. And we gotta reapply sunscreen.
SPF all day protection.
Yeah, I feel like we're about 10 miles from camp. We actually picked a shorter stop, so only 25 miles today, right?
I like how you say only.
We learned a lot already so far today.
25 is a good distance.
It is, but we dawdled a little much.
We knew we were going less miles, so we farted around and took way too much time. We should have been there by now. It's almost noon. We could have been there easily by now.
Yeah.
But
we're doing good.
Every day is a new lesson.
Yeah.
Like our friends, we rode by them on the trail and they were eating Cheese Whiz and crackers, and I thought, genius.
Yeah, the cheese in the can. I'm like, why don't we have cheese in the can? That sounds really good right now. We did stop in, what's the town that we stopped in? Rocheport?
Something like that.
There was actually a little cafe / bike shop right on the trail that you could have stop and have a meal at. So I had a granola bowl that we shared.
It was a frozen fruit smoothie with granola and then covered in strawberries and blueberries.
So good. That's what I've been craving, is fruit. So that satisfied that. We refilled all our water. We are good to go.
I think we're probably 9 miles from the camp.
Okay.
And it's Cooper's Landing.
Yeah.
And there's supposed to be if it's open, it's pretty reviews, whether it's open or closed is pretty random, but apparently someone had fried chicken there once. So.
Yeah, so now I got it in my head I'm having fried chicken, but it's probably not happening. You ready to go, girl? Oh, she's a happy girl. We made it to Cooper's Landing. This is right on the river. And the breeze is cool coming through here. And what time is it?
It's 2 o'clock. It's probably close to 95 degrees, but this Missouri River breeze is like,
so nice.
I'm not hot.
No.
It's
no.
nice. Campground's just...
yeah, this is the campground, but I welcome it. You know what I'm really excited about? So there's a little store here, part of this campground. No bathrooms, just porta potties, no showers, but we'll make do with what we have.
No picnic tables.
No picnic tables, but there are tables over there. There's a food truck coming today. I can't tell you how excited I am for this food truck coming.
And they sell ice cold beverages.
Oh yeah, at the convenience store here. We're learning a lot every day, so we're still revamping our, this was not even on our planned schedule, so we definitely need to make some phone calls if we can.
Our planned stop was about 8 or 9 miles up the road.
I'm grateful for this stop though.
Food truck. So
it's all about the food truck.
I'm so tired of gas station food.
Who still wants some food truck foods? Yeah, you do.
I can't remember what he said. It was like Grandma's Southern Kitchen or something. He said sometimes it's fried chicken, sometimes it's pulled pork.
Oh my gosh.
So whatever it is, it's going to be good.
Let's get our tent set up.
I think Bill and Carol are going to come and stop here too.
Yeah, they were planning on going to the same campground we had scheduled, I think. But they weren't going as far today as well. So they thought, I think they're going to be rolling in any time. It's been funny. We got bad news. Food trucks broke down. Might not be able to make it. If that's the worst of our troubles, we're doing all right. The guy that runs this place is so nice. He came out and told us, but he said the good news is there's a pizza place that'll deliver. It's not very far away, so pizza and sandwiches. So we're gonna give the food truck lady a few minutes to see if she could get the truck headed this way, but maybe ordering something. That sounds really good. I don't care.
Hi, we're camped down at Cooper's Landing, and the guy here said that if we were hungry, we should call you and you could deliver something here. A Greek calzone and a small Greek pizza.
Do you want in your home?
And 2 side salads.
Hang on. Okay. We got dinner here. Gyro pizza.
Look at that, huh?
I think we could replicate that in the van.
Hope you guys are hungry because I can't eat all this.
Yes.
Please try one.
I bet you do.
Look at
all your bicycles today.
Oh my gosh, this calzone.
Is that melted butter?
Gyro calzone. Yeah,
my
because we need
gosh.
more butter on that. I did order a salad though. I feel pretty good about
got
that.
a salad and shared that calzone.
This salad's huge, actually. Yes, and our friends over here have meatball subs. These are our friends that we've been talking about on the trail. We finally are capturing them on video. So, yeah, it's been nice having them along because they know more about this trail than we do because they have done this trail before. Was it 9 years ago? Yes. And they're quite the adventurous couple. So we're learning a lot from them. It's been really handy. I gotta get into this calzone. Pistol, you need a piece. Oh, what do you think about the pizza?
I'm so hungry.
Delicious. We will leave you with the last wisps of a Missouri sunset over the Missouri River. What a beautiful night. This is a good spot. I'm ready for bed though. I'm already brushed. I have my retainer in. But we had to watch the sun go down. So we only got an 11-mile day tomorrow. It's gonna be quite hot, so we don't want to go too far.
It's going to be mid-70s in the morning.
Yeah, well, so we'll get scooting in the morning.
Yeah.
90s by the afternoon.
Mid-90s, yeah.
And we'll be done by then, so.
I'm looking forward to tomorrow night in a tent.
In the 90s.
Well,
Yeah.
in the tent it's going to be mid-70s.
Yeah.
But I don't think there's any wind tomorrow.
Yeah.
So. I'm tired.
Yeah. You look and sound very tired. That's the plan tomorrow, 11 miles. We'll see you tomorrow. Carry on.
Carry on.
For behind the scenes footage, extra content, and all our videos early release and ad free, check out our Patreon page.
And check out our blog on our website, carryonvagabond.com.
Thanks again, and
Carry
carry on.